Meaning of gregarious.
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 Gregarious. The word gregarious refers to an individual who is sociable, outgoing, and enjoys being around others. They are typically extroverted and thrive in social situations, often seeking out the company of other people. Such individuals are characterized by their ability to build relationships, possess strong communication skills, and can easily adapt to new environments. Generally, gregarious individuals are liked by others and can lead successful personal and professional lives. In summary, gregarious describes someone who is socially inclined and enjoys interacting with others in a positive and engaging manner.